So the molecule salicylic acid is a naturally occurring compound. It can be found in the bark of a willow tree. It has direct activity as an anti-inflammatory agent. It also acts as a topical antibacterial agent. So going into the properties, its pH is 2.4, it's colorless and a crystalline powder. It is a polar molecule. Its melting point is 159 degrees Celsius, and it has a sublimation point of 76 degrees Celsius. Its molecular weight is 138.12 grams per mole. It has a relative density of 1.4. And lastly, its solubility is 0.2 grams per 100 milliliters at 20 degrees Celsius.
So the purpose of salicylic acid, which is also a beta-hydroxy acid, is it's used for acne because it works really well on taking the oil out of your skin, and it's used for a lot of skin treatments, including helping with psoriasis, calluses, corns, and warts. It was also used by Native Americans for fevers and medicinal purposes, such as pain relief, and also for aches and pains. It's also a 2-hydroxybenzoic acid.
Okay, so some of the significance about the molecule is that it's used in the pharmaceutical industry for antiseptic, disinfectant, and then antifungal, and also we talked about its antibacterial properties. And then it's used in the cosmetic industry for skincare mainly, and then it's used in moisturizers, exfoliants, anti-acne products, and then it helps with pores, and then it's also used in body wash and shampoos. And then food preservatives, it's used as an additive, artificial flavoring, and also for aromatic purposes in meat, poultry, and candy. And then going along with the acne treatment, it helps people with their skin confidence.
Okay, so salicylic acid, like we've mentioned before, is really heavily used in skincare products. That's due to its anti-inflammatory agents and antibacterial properties. They promote exfoliation, like mentioned before. They loosen the desmosomes in between cells, which is another reason it's used a lot in chemical peels, because it will help loosen and remove blackheads, whiteheads, and diminish fine lines or pore sizes. So the structure of salicylic acid plays a huge part in why it can be used for skincare products. It is a beta-hydroxy acid, like we mentioned before, which means it has a carboxyl group and a carboxyl acid and a hydroxyl group. And those help the salicylic acid dissolve desmosomes in between cells to loosen the cells and allow dead skin cells to flake off, or loosen materials that are inside blackheads or whiteheads.
Okay.
So this is our molecule, salicylic acid. This is the carboxylic acid group, and this is the hydroxy group, which give it its unique properties.